Hello everyone, Namaste. Today I am here to share with you what is acceptance. Acceptance means whatever is the situation, you do not get entangled in that situation. What does entanglement mean? Entangling in a situation means that you start asking questions, why this is happening, why did it happen to me? Do not ask such questions. If you are accepting the situation, that means you just notice the situation, what it is, and accept that okay, it is like this, and stay happy. This is what acceptance means. This is Aditi Gupta, life and business coach and strategist, signing off. Thank you.